Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will explain how to use your Garmin Fenix solar watch. First, let's get acquainted with the physical buttons. You have 5 main buttons: light, up/menu, down, start/stop, and back/lap. Press and hold the light button to power on your watch. Follow the on-screen prompts to select your language, units, and initial settings. This quick setup ensures your watch is ready for adventure right away. Navigating your Fenix Solar is intuitive. From the watch face, you can swipe up or down to cycle through various widgets like heart rate, steps, and notifications. Alternatively, use the up/menu and down buttons to scroll. To select an option or start an activity, press the start/stop button. The back/lap button will always take you to the previous screen or mark a lap during an activity. Your Fenix Solar excels at tracking activities. Press the start/stop button from the watch face, then select your desired activity from the list. Press start/stop again to begin recording. During your activity, you'll see metrics like distance, pace, and heart rate. The watch's power glass lens continuously converts sunlight into battery power, potentially adding several days of use in smartwatch mode with 3 hours of direct sunlight exposure daily. Make your Fenix Solar truly yours by customizing it. Hold the up/menu button to access settings, where you can change watch faces, data screens, and activity profiles. Sync your watch with the Garmin Connect app on your phone to review detailed stats and track progress over time. Remember to regularly clean your watch with a soft cloth and rinse it after saltwater exposure to maintain its durability and accuracy.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.